How to BUI $EVA EVA AI token crypto coin. Disclaimer: this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or financial expert. Always do your own research, DYOR, before investing in any project. Step 1. Get your Ethereum wallet ready. First, ensure you have an Ethereum-compatible wallet. I recommend MetaMask, a popular wallet that works with Ethereum-based tokens. Download and install MetaMask from metamask.io. Set up your wallet by following the on-screen instructions. Make sure to securely store your recovery phrase. Fund your wallet with Ethereum, ETH, to cover transaction, gas fees. You can buy ETH from exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken and transfer it to your MetaMask wallet. Step 2. Add the EVA token to MetaMask. To interact with the EVA token in your wallet, you need to import its token contract address. Get the EVA token address. Obtain the correct contract address for the EVA AI token from an official source, official website, listing platform. Open MetaMask and select the Ethereum network. Click the three dots menu in the top right corner of MetaMask and choose Import Tokens. Select Custom Token. Paste the token contract address into the token address field. MetaMask should automatically populate the token's name and symbol, EVA. Click Next, and then import to add the EVA token to your wallet. Step 3. Connect to a decentralized exchange, DEX. The next step is to connect your MetaMask wallet to a decentralized exchange, DEX, like Uniswap, for Ethereum-based tokens. Go to Uniswap. Navigate to the Uniswap website uniswap.org. Connect your MetaMask wallet by clicking the Connect Wallet button on the top right of the Uniswap page. Select Ethereum network in your MetaMask if it's not already selected. Step 4. Find the EVA token and prepare for the swap. Once your wallet is connected to Uniswap, search for the EVA token using the contract address if it's not listed by name. Select the token. Once EVA appears in the list, click to select it. Choose the token you want to swap for. Select the token you want to swap for EVA, e.g., USDT, ETH. Enter the amount. Enter the amount of the token, ETH or USDT, you want to exchange for EVA. Step 5. Review and confirm the swap. Check the details. Before confirming the swap, review how much EVA you will receive and the transaction fee, gas fee. Adjust slippage tolerance. If necessary, adjust the slippage tolerance, usually between 0.5% and 1%, to ensure the transaction goes through smoothly. Click on Swap. Once everything looks good, click Swap. Approve the transaction. Confirm the transaction in your MetaMask wallet and pay the gas fees. Step 6. Wait for transaction confirmation. After confirming the transaction, wait for it to process. It may take a few moments for the transaction to be processed on the Ethereum blockchain. Track the transaction. You can monitor the transaction status on Etherscan, Ethereum's blockchain explorer. Check your MetaMask wallet. Once the transaction is completed, the EVA tokens will appear in your MetaMask wallet. Final notes. Research. Always do thorough research on the token and project before investing. Gas fees. Keep in mind that Ethereum transactions often come with significant gas fees, depending on network congestion. Security. Ensure you are using the correct contract address for EVA and only interact with trusted exchanges and websites. This guide should help you buy the EVA AI token, EVA. Let me know if you need more assistance.